Welcome back to my home buyer series. I'm Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group. Today we're going to talk about home ownership responsibilities and navigating maintenance, insurance, and taxes. If you could take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell so you can be notified when new videos come out. Becoming a homeowner is a dream come true for many, but it comes with a host of responsibilities that extend beyond the excitement of home ownership. In this video, we'll get into the various home ownership responsibilities you'll encounter, including maintenance, insurance, and property taxes, to help you understand what it means to own a home and ensure a successful home ownership journey. Let's first go over home ownership maintenance. Owning a home requires ongoing maintenance to keep it in good condition and prevent costly repairs. Here are some key maintenance responsibilities. You're going to want to conduct routine inspections of your home's interior and exterior to identify potential issues. Perform tasks like gutter cleaning, HVAC system servicing, and lawn care as needed with changing seasons. Address any necessary repairs promptly to prevent minor issues from becoming major issues. Regularly service and maintain appliances, plumbing, electrical systems, pool equipment, sprinklers, and your roof. Next, let's go over home insurance. Homeowner's insurance is a crucial safeguard that protects your investment in your home. Here's what you need to know. Your homeowner's insurance policy typically covers property damage, liability, and personal belongings. Pay your insurance premiums on time to ensure continuous coverage. If you have a mortgage, it's likely that this is being paid with your monthly mortgage payment. If you don't have a mortgage, make sure you are renewing this policy with your insurance advisor. Periodically review and update your policy to ensure it reflects any changes or renovations that you've made to your home. Familiarize yourself with the claims process so you know what to do in case of damage or loss. Now let's go over property taxes. Property taxes are levied by local governments and fund essential services like public schools, public infrastructure. Here's what you should understand. The local tax assessor determines your property's assessed value, which is used to calculate your property tax bill. Property taxes are typically paid annually, semi-annually, or as a part of your monthly mortgage payment. If you have a loan, it's most likely that this is included in your monthly mortgage payment. If you own your home outright, then you need to make sure you pay this bill. Again, many homeowners choose to have their property taxes and their insurance collected as part of their mortgage payment and held in an escrow account to ensure timely payment as stated above. If you believe your property has been overassessed, you may have the option to appeal your property tax assessment. The best place to start with that is going to be with your local county and an appraiser. Then there's your homeowners association fees, your HOA fees. If your home is a part of a community governed by an HOA, you'll have additional responsibilities. Pay your dues, your HOA dues, to cover common area maintenance, amenities, and community services. HOAs will have these set up on either monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annual payments. Follow the rules and regulations established by the HOA, which may include architectural guidelines and noise restrictions. Participate in HOA meetings and votes to have a say in the community decisions. Then don't forget about emergency preparedness. Being prepared for unexpected events is part of home ownership. Invest in a security system and take precautions to protect your home from burglary or vandalism. Maintain an emergency fund to cover unexpected repairs or losses not covered by insurance. Home ownership responsibilities encompass various aspects from maintaining your property to managing insurance, property taxes, and HOAs. Understanding and staying on top of these responsibilities is essential for the long-term enjoyment and success of your home ownership journey. By taking these responsibilities seriously, you can protect your investment and create a safe and comfortable environment for yourself and your family. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.